So, nandito ulit tayo sa isang panibagong lesson at yung lesson na pag-aaralan natin for today is about circumference. At itong lesson na to is applicable for grade 4. Dun muna tayo sa kung ano yung definition ng isang circumference. Circumference is the distance around the circle. The circumference would be the length of the circle if it were opened up and straightened out to a line segment. So, ang circumference daw, ang magiging length or yung length of measurement ng isang circle kapag ginawa siyang into a straight line. So, dito tayo sa figure na to. Yung circumference natin dito ay yung mismong pagkabilog ng isang circle. Then, as you can see, meron din kayong makikita dyan na diameter and radius. So, yung diameter, ang ibig sabihin niyan is yung distance or yung line from any point of a circle to any point of the circle that passes through the center. Then, yung radius naman is the line segment from the center of the circle to any point of a circle. So, yun lamang po ang definition or yung difference ng diameter at ng radius. And remember na ang diameter is double or doble ng radius. So, para mahanap natin yung circumference ng isang circle, meron tayong dalawang options, dalawang formulas na pwedeng gamitin. So, you have C is equal to 2 pi r, where pi is equal to, of course, 3.14, and r for the radius. At yung C dito, meaning circumference. Or, yung isang formula na pwede nyo pang gamitin is yung C is equal to pi d, where itong pi na to is equivalent to 3.14 and yung d is for diameter. So, may two options kayo kung ano yung gagamitin nyo. And mamaya, ituturo ko sa inyo kung kailan nyo gagamitin ang formula na C is equal to 2 pi r at kung kailan nyo rin gagamitin ang formula na C is equal to pi d. Now, simulan natin sa isang example number 1. Okay? Kung mapapansin niyo, you have this circle na mayroong 15 cm na measurement. Now, this time, kailangan nyo munang i-identify whether the given measurement is a diameter or a radius. Now, in this case, since kung makikita ninyo, yung line lang dyan, or yung line segment na nandyan sa example number 1 is from the center to any point on the circle. So, that means that this measurement is for radius. Now, ano yung gagamitin yung formula? Is it the 2 pi r or the pi d? Now, since ang given natin ay radius, gamitin nyo na yung formula na C is equal to 2 pi r. Although, pwede nyo rin naman gamitin yung pi d. But, in this case, mas madali kung gagamitin nyo yung formula na 2 pi r. Now, ang sunod yung gagawin is, of course, copy nyo lang yung 2. Then, yung equivalent ng pi ay isa-substitute nyo doon sa symbol ng pi, which is 3.14. Saan nanggaling yung 3.14? 3.14 ay nanggaling doon sa mismong equivalent ng pi. Then, ang sunod yung gagawin is to substitute the value of the radius. Now, yung radius natin, kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, is 15 cm. Now, ang sunod yung gagawin is to multiply lang lahat ng yan. Yan, tatlo na yan. So, 2 times 3.14 times 15. So, pwede kayong gumamit ng calculator or pwede nyo rin namang siyang isolve. Kasi easy lang din naman ang pag-solve ng may decimal. Now, next. So 2 times 3.14 times 15 is 94.20 centimeter. So yung unit ninyo is centimeter kasi yung circumference is parang kaparehas lang siya ng perimeter. Ang kaibahan nga lang, ang perimeter ay ginagamit natin for mga shapes na may sides. Let's proceed. For example number 2, we have this circle na may given measurement na 21 millimeters or 21 mm. Ngayon, identify muna natin whether the given number or the given measurement is either diameter or radius. Now, tingnan nyo mabuti yung figure natin. We have a line or a line segment from any point of the circle to any point of the circle that passes through the center. So, itong bilog na to dito, yan yung center natin. So, kung mahaba yung line natin, that is a diameter. Okay? Now, so yung 21 millimeters na to ay diameter. Ngayon, since dalawa nga yung formulas na pwede natin gamitin sa circumference at ang given nyo ay diameter, pwede nyo gamitin yung formula na C is equal to pi D. Now, same pa rin yung ginagawa natin, kagaya ng mga ginagawa natin in the previous topics. Yung 3.14 and example number 1 kanina. Yung pi ay papalitan nyo lang ng 3.14 because yun yung equivalent ng pi. Then yung D is papalitan nyo lang kung ano yung given measurement dun sa example. So, ito yung given natin which is 21 millimeter. Copy nyo lang yan dito or i-substitute nyo lang siya doon sa D. Okay? Or sa diameter. Now, ang next yung step is to multiply 3.14 times 21 millimeters. Now, 3.14 times 21 is 65.94 millimeter. Next, we have example number 3. So, yung given natin is of course, radius kasi kalahati lang naman. It's from the center to any point on the circle. So, you have 17 inches. So, yung gagamitin yung formula is C is equal to 2 pi r. It is because yung given ninyo ay radius. So, same process. Copy lang yung 2. Substitute the value of pi which is 3.14. Then, substitute nyo rin yung given measurement for radius which is 17 inches. So, next is to multiply the 3. 2 times 3.14 times 17 and you'll get 106.76 inches. Now, for example number 4, we have this example figure circle. And kung makikita ninyo, kung mapapansin ninyo, yung given natin na 32 decimeter, you have this point up to this point, and this line passes through the center. So that is a diameter. Now you can use the formula C is equal to pi D. Then same process, substitute nyo lang yung value ng pi and substitute nyo rin yung value ng D, then which is 32 decimeter. Then multiply 3.14 times 32 decimeter is 100.48 decimeter. So again, yung lesson natin for today is circumference at dalawa yung formulas na pwede nyong gamitin. You have C is equal to 2 pi r and C is equal to pi D. So yung kung kailan nyo gagamitin yung dalawang formulas na yon is depende sa kung ano yung given na measurement. So, thank you sa panonood. Naway may natutunan kayo sa lesson na to. Thank you.